Hi, this is an addendum to the material I've done on the Swan SW1248M, which has the black covers. And my project was to try and make my Swan more airtight beyond what I've already done. And of course, I had already lapped the slide into the upper portion of the mouthpiece using Colgate regular toothpaste, and of course that's a complex operation, but I explained it on Chromatic Harmonica customization. And then I also lapped the mouthpiece itself into the ABS, so it brought that down. So tolerances up here in this area are quite good, but I still wanted to take it one step further. And I had been at a production facility recently helping set up some custom quality harps. And all of the reeds that I was working on needed to have the gap reset. And what is reed gap? Well, it's how far the reed is off of the reed plate. And as an example, you can kind of see this one's just a hair high. So you take a dental tool or something, just press it down just a little bit. This is a stainless steel reed that I'm working on, so it wouldn't respond as quickly as some of the others, but that's pretty much what's involved. And of course you have to open up the harp to get to the reeds on the inside to adjust their gap. So anyway, my question was, could I really significantly improve the Swan? And my reference harp, of course, is a Seidel Saxony. I like my instrument to respond with just the smallest amount of breath. Let's see where this, so anyway, I went ahead and adjusted all the reeds on the Swan SW1248M. Why aren't the covers black? I swapped them out for a silver set from a SW1248-3, which is the older trapezoidal, but I just like these. Well, this got pretty doggone airtight. Seidel, Swan. Now, as you bring those reeds down closer to the reed plate in their positioning, of course the harp is more airtight. But you can't take them too far, because if you take them too far, then the reed won't fire with breath. So you want to get them down as close as you can before you get to that point. And it will make the harp more airtight. So I would say that I probably improved the airtightness of the Swan 35% by regapping all these reeds. Now I play with a very light breath, so that might not be a real good solution to somebody who honks on it pretty hard, because you want the reeds a little bit higher if that's your style of play, but that's not my style of play. So right now this SW1248M is very, very playable. I've said for $100. It's a very nice harp. Again, all the customizations I did. I removed the stanchions, bent the cover lip in a little bit, and then opened up the harp just a little bit in the covers to give it more projection. I actually lapped the slide into the upper face of the mouthpiece. Lapping is using a very fine pumice compound, in this case toothpaste, to actually work into the metal surfaces so they smooth. And then I took the mouthpiece into the ABS plastic by doing, and there is a video that explains that. So I did all those things, reshaped the button so it's gentler to the hand, but now I just regapped those reeds. I would recommend it. I think that with all those customizations, this instrument's pretty darn good to play. It's responding to very little breath.